Hey guys, how are you? In this video, we're going to talk about the Honor Magic 2, which will launch on 31st of October 2018 officially. And in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the leaks of the Honor Magic 2. So, let's take a look at those leaks. First up, let's talk about the screen. The screen size of the Honor Magic 2 is 6.41 inches with AMOLED panel, and the screen resolution is 2340 by 1080 with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The battery size of the Honor Magic 2 is 3400 mAh with 40-watt charge, just like in the Mi 20 Pro. The Honor Magic 2 will run on Android 9.0 out of the box with EMUI version 9.0. The GPU used in the Honor Magic 2 is Mali G76 MP10, and the processor used in the Honor Magic 2 is the Kirin 980 7nm processor. There will be two variants of the Honor Magic 2, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and second with 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage. Both will support microSD up to 256GB. There are three cameras on the back: 16 megapixel plus 16 megapixel and 24 megapixel. And on the front there is a 16 megapixel with 2 megapixel sensor, which are accessible through a sliding of your screen, just like we see in the Mi Mix 3. Furthermore, there is an in-screen fingerprint scanner on the front of the Honor Magic 2, and on the bottom there is a USB Type-C 3.1. Okay guys, this is all for today. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. And please share my videos on any social media account you can. Peace out. I'll see you in my next one.
Hello, yo yo.
I'm here. What's up?